Thanks a lot, love.
Oh, don't mention it. Cheerio, take care. Oh, hello, Bach. How are you?
Who's that?
Oh, he says he's from the water board. He said there was some problem in the street with some pipes, and he wanted to have a look into my sink at some pipes. Come in, I've got some tea on.
So, why'd you let him in?
Well, he seemed a decent kind of person. I didn't see anything wrong with it.
Well, you see, this is how burglars target older people's houses. He might have taken something.
Oh, I don't think so. He had quite an honest face, really.
Well, did he have any identification? You know, a card with a picture on him?
No. Well, I didn't bother to ask him for any identification.
Right, Nan, promise you won't let anyone in without checking first.
Well, what should I do then?
Well, I've been reading about it on a website. You should lock, stop, chain and check.
Oh, what's that?
First of all, you should always lock the door. Then, if there's a knock on the door, look out the window to see who's there. If you don't know them, put the chain on. Then, check if he has an identity card. If he hasn't got an identity card and he hasn't made an appointment, then don't let him in. They've even got a new password scheme you can use, so don't take a chance.
Yes, I hadn't thought of that.
One more thing. These thieves usually work in pairs. While one of them is keeping you busy at the front, the other goes round to the back. So always keep your back door locked too.
Oh, that sounds very worrying to me.
Well, these things never happen very often, but it's best to be safe.
Yes, you're right. What's that rule again?
Lock, stop, chain and check. But when I come round, promise you let me in.
All right, no problem. I'll always let you in, love. But I'll remember lock, stop, chain, check. Yes?
Yes.
Do you fancy a biscuit with that?
Thought you'd never ask.